Is there such a year as zero? Hi, I'm Dr. James Holt, and the short answer is no. There's no such year as the year zero. Well, at least in the Christian calendar anyway. I've lost count of the number of times I've had this conversation, most often with history teachers, and sometimes motivated or inspired by posters I see on their classroom walls. Obviously, today we are in 2024 AD, which means Anno Domini, or the year of our Lord, not as sometimes students think after death. If we go back obviously 4,000 years, we get to about 2024 BC. And so I would ask, well, what's the year in the middle? And oftentimes the response is 0. The problem is there's no such year as the year 0. It's 1 AD, which is the year of our Lord, the year that Jesus was born. Well, when it was estimated he was born, even though it was most likely not. Then the year before that is 1 BC, meaning before Christ. There's no year 0, it's 1 to 1. And so that's helpful, but also it helps us realise that actually the Christian calendar, which may have become the norm throughout society, is not the only calendar there is. As a teacher and a writer about religion, I'll often use CE instead of Anno Domini, meaning Common Era, and BCE, before Common Era, instead of BC. It's not wrong to use AD or BC, but when I write about faiths other than Christianity, the terminology that I will use is CE and BCE, because it seems rather odd to say, for example, Prophet Muhammad was born in the year of our Lord 570. That's not to say that this is the Muslim calendar, because currently the year in the Muslim calendar is 1446 AH, or Anno Hijrah, the year of the Hijrah, the move from Mecca to Medina, and the establishment of the first Muslim community in 622. And Muslims often measure time from this point using the lunar calendar. Indeed, within the Jewish calendar, it's Anno Mundi 5785, since the year of the world. So since creation, using this lunisolar calendar. There are all kinds of things and all kinds of calendars that we use within religion. And perhaps we just need to recognise that society tends to use what's known as the Gregorian calendar, but also that we can often, when we speak about religions and perhaps Christianity, be a bit more sensitive in the way that we use the terminology that we have.